Okay guys, here's a video for factoring quadratics. This is one that's on Khan Academy. This is the exact title that it has, but this is just a different video that I will do for you. The good part about this is that it actually gives you one of the factors. Okay, so it does half the work for you. So whenever we do this, goes back to our diamond problems. I use an X, but you can use a diamond if you want to. But you're going to multiply the first and the last, x squared times 28, where you'd get 28x squared. That's going to be the top number. The bottom number is going to be the middle term. Boom, 11x. Okay, and since we are multiplying to a positive number, the signs have to be the same. Since I'm multiplying to a positive, add to a positive, they both have to be positive. So I have to go through. If you have to list out your factors, got to go ahead and do that. So like 1 and 28, 2 and 14, 3, 4 and 7. Okay, and figure out which one will give me an 11x, which is the bottom one, 4 and 7. Okay, and if you notice, hey look, that 7 is right here. That gives you half of it. Okay, so if you wanted to, you could put that plus 7 here, plus 7x. Okay, and then you would have plus 4x. All right, from here, you could do this box. Okay, first and last, you'd have x squared, you'd have a 28. You can bring in the new ones, the 4x and the 7x. Okay, and you could bring stuff out, which we've done. Okay, between an x squared and an x, 4x, I can bring out an x plus 7. Okay, and I'd have an x and then a plus 4. Okay, or with these, since this is a 1 out in front, since a equals 1, the first number, the first coefficient, I can just plug those right into my answers. Okay, so I'd have, the answer to this would be x plus 4 times x plus 7, which would be the fully factored form of this polynomial. Okay, but since this is the x plus 7, it's just asking for the width. Okay, x plus 7 is already there, so it only wants the x plus 4. Okay, and that's it.